Effective breeding strategies are essential for maintaining a productive herd. Goats reach optimal breeding age and weight at different times depending on the breed. Detecting heat accurately ensures timely mating and higher conception rates. Natural mating allows bucks to breed with does under controlled conditions. Artificial insemination helps improve genetics and manage herd health. Accurate record keeping tracks breeding dates, lineage, and expected kidding. Monitoring cycles ensures does and bucks are healthy and productive. Crossbreeding can combine desirable traits, enhancing milk, meat, and adaptability. Pre-breeding health checks reduce risk of disease and improve conception rates. Next, we'll explore healthcare and disease control.